You need to watch this if you struggle with bike maintenance. Let's make it simple and fun. Ready? Here we go. Regular oil changes are your bike's best friend. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, fresh oil keeps your engine purring and ready for the next adventure. Now let's talk tires. Did you know worn tires can increase stopping distances by 50%? Check those treads and keep your ride safe. Next up, chain care. A well-lubricated chain can last up to 25,000 miles. When's the last time you gave yours some TLC? And don't forget your brake pads. They usually last between 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Stay in control by checking them regularly. Battery life can be tricky, but with care, it'll last 3 to 5 years. And a clean air filter? It can boost your fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Pre-ride inspections are a must. They can prevent 75% of motorcycle accidents. Fork oil changes every 10,000 miles keep your bike handling like a dream. And don't forget to check your coolant levels to avoid overheating. Finally, quality parts matter. Give your bike the best to keep it running smooth and strong. Ready to hit the road? Keep these tips in mind and ride safe.